Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup affiliate WP site data for WordPress step by step clearly. To begin backing up your affiliate WP site data for WordPress, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section of your dashboard. Click on Add New to search for a backup plugin. Popular options include Updraft Plus, Backup Buddy, or Duplicator. Install the plugin of your choice by clicking Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, locate the plugin in your dashboard's left sidebar. Open the plugin settings to configure your backup options. Select the types of data you want to backup, including database and files. Set the backup schedule according to your needs, either manual or automated. Choose your preferred storage location for the backups, such as cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Next, initiate your first backup by clicking the appropriate button in the plugin. Monitor the progress through the on-screen notifications. Once the backup is complete, verify that it was successful by checking the backup log. You can download the backup file. If you need to restore your affiliate WP site later, return to the plugin settings. Choose the Restore option and follow the prompts to locate and use your backup file. After completing these steps, your affiliate WP site data will be safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.